resilience, and bouncing back. She sits quietly. The room is still, but her mind is loud, comma. The mind does not rest when the heart is burdened. Thoughts drift in the silence, questions without answers, a heavy heart with tears rolling down. She is a woman shaped by time, by responsibility, by moments that demanded strength even. Thoughts circle like restless winds, unspoken fears, conversations replayed long after they ended. Not every struggle is visible. Some live quietly, behind steady eyes and gentle smiles. She has known joy, and she has known loss. Laughter that once filled the room, spaces now left empty. Memories held carefully, because letting go feels too heavy. Yet even here, she remains. Resilience does not begin with action. It begins with grace. Healing begins when blame ends. With forgiving herself for what did not work, with releasing the weight of blame, with allowing herself to pause and breathe. So she starts small, one breath, one step forward, one quiet decision to try again. Without rushing her healing, she learns that recovery is not loud. It does not announce itself. It grows slowly. In silence, healing happens in simple steps, in movement, in moments of stillness, in choosing to show up, even on days when doubt is present. Progress may be gentle, but it is real. Confidence does not return all at once. It comes back softly, in fragments, in the courage to look at herself and recognize strength where she once saw only struggle. She comes from women who endured, women who carried families and dreams, women who turned pain into wisdom, women whose strength stood echoes through her. She is not walking alone. She carries generations within her. Focus is not about having all the answers. It is about choosing what deserves her energy, what deserves her attention, and what no longer deserves her peace. Uncertainty no longer controls her. It teaches her to trust herself more deeply. Resilience is in her blood, in every step forward. In every moment, she chooses hope over fear. In every time she rises, even when the path ahead is unclear. She may be troubled, but she is not finished. She bends, she pauses, but she does not break. She will rise. Again, I will rise again.